Hi, my name is Eric Sollenberger, and I'm the principal investigator for a project that I called Citizen Science from Rushi with Love. Rushi is a real small rural community that I teach at. It's spelled Russia, but we pronounce it weird here. We are tiny. We're less than 450 students, K through 12, all in one building still. That makes me half of the science department, but we had the absolute awesome opportunity of being right on the center line for the path of totality with the 2024 Eclipse here. In 2017, I traveled down to the Path of Totality in Missouri to watch the eclipse there, and I collected some data, and I came back and was so excited, and the students did some work with that data, but we were excited to be able to do that, but not only to do that, but to participate in citizen science and kind of engage the public with that. And so our project was kind of twofold. One was to gather some materials to actually be able to participate in more citizen science projects than what we would have been able to with the limited resources we have here at our rural school district. The other goal, though, was for me to train up the students and the students then to train up the community on actually participating in citizen science. And so we were able to educate, inform, and the public in general, and we're able to encourage a lot of people to participate in citizen science projects.